Hello, young artists! Today, we're going to draw and color a fun robot friend. Look at its shiny green body and its happy face. Let's get started. First, let's color the robot's body bright green. You can also add some blue on the robot's head for the glass eyes. Don't forget to add a fiery orange color to its rocket boosters. Now, let's finish our robot by coloring the arms with silver and the hands with gray. Great job! Your robot is ready to zoom into space. Hey there, today, we're drawing a playful crocodile playing tennis. Check out its cool orange t-shirt and that big grin. Let's draw this fun character. Start by coloring the crocodile's body a nice green. The t-shirt should be bright orange, and don't forget to color its tennis racket handle with a wooden brown and the net with black. Now, let's give the crocodile a fantastic yellow belly and some pink for the inside of its mouth. Amazing! Your crocodile is ready to play tennis.